Hello friends, did you know that you could be unknowingly running on a battery with no idea? I'm talking about the fatigue that comes from lack of vitality. The good news is, you don't have to keep pushing yourself just to get through the day. Today, I'm going to share the blueprint to overcoming fatigue to restore your energy. What causes fatigue? There are three primary reasons: physical, mental, and chemical. Physical fatigue can be caused by lack of sleep, dehydration, or overexertion, while mental fatigue can result from stress, anxiety, or depression. Chemical fatigue is due to poor nutrition or health issues such as chronic illnesses or hormonal imbalances. Now let's dive into the blueprint to overcoming fatigue. 1. Nutrition. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining energy levels. Include complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Avoid sugary snacks, processed foods, and excessive caffeine. Remember, fueling your body with the right nutrients will help prevent both physical and mental fatigue. 2. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and decreased energy levels. A general guideline is to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day, but individual hydration needs can vary based on factors like body weight, age, and physical activity. 3. Sleep. Prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensure your sleep environment is cool, dark, and quiet. 4. Exercise. Incorporate regular physical activity into your daily routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Even a short walk or a light workout can help increase your energy levels and reduce fatigue. However, be sure to listen to your body and avoid overtraining. 5. Break time. Incorporate small breaks into your workday or exercise routine. You can try the Pomodoro technique, a time management method, designed to help people accomplish more in less time while reducing the potential for burnout. By breaking tasks into intervals, typically 25 minutes long, separated by short breaks, this can help improve focus, reduce fatigue, and increase your productivity. 6. Limit exposure to toxins. Eliminate or minimize your exposure to toxins such as cigarette smoke, chemicals, and pesticides. These substances can have a negative impact on your overall health. 7. Stress management. Identify the sources of stress in your life and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to reduce stress. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your body and mind. So start today and experience the difference. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification button for more mental health tips.